and welcome to this section for the information for the data science program in University of North Texas. You may know the UNT has one of the most comprehensive data science program, also one of the largest or best data science program in US. Dr. Shah will introduce the detail, but I give brief introduction of our department. Now we have 15 full-time faculty members, and we also have several position opening. We also just recently launched that data science program as an independent department. That department now is named as Anuradha and Vikas Sinha Department of Data Science with a generous donation of more than $3 million from Dr. Vikas and his family. Dr. Vikas was also our PhD student in our information science with a concentration in data science program. In our program, we also provide different kind of programs, and including bachelor, master, and PhD in information science with a concentration in data science. We also have a group of these the graduate certificate programs, and we also have different track for undergraduate program and the minors or accelerated program for data science. We also will have different kind of fellowship program to support the student study. Now we also provide this internship and support for a student, but not say guaranteed, okay? But we also have the IA or TA opportunity for many of our graduate students. Okay, but anyway, I believe it's a great place to acquire the knowledge in data science. Our focus on is data science plus X. So we welcome students from different background to study master program in data science at UNT. But anyway, so Dr. Shah will provide the detailed information about program, and after that, if you have any question, we will be here to answer your question. Okay, now Dr. Shah, now it's your turn.
Okay, so thank you, Dr. Ding, for the nice introduction. So I will go over some information about our MSc in Data Science program. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Dr. Shah, we can see it.
Okay, thank you for confirmation. Okay, so as Dr. Ding said, so our now our data science program is in the Department of Data Science now. So with a generous sponsorship or donation from Sinha's family, so our department is named as Anuradha and Vikas Sinha Department of Data Science. So I will cover several basic information about our program, including like an overview of our program and the curriculum, and some of our expectations and the success tips for prospects students. And I will also share with some available resources and support in our department and the program. And finally, I will talk about like the existing community and engagement. After that, we will have the Q&A session, okay? So first, we are very proudly that, okay, Fortune ranked our program as the best master's data science program 2 consecutive years. Okay, so both years in 2004 and 2005. So we are on the top 5 list of the Fortune's best master's data science program. So in 2004, our ranking was number 2. 2005, our ranking was number 5. Okay, so among these lists, you can see that Harvard University and the University of North Texas, UNT, are the only 2 programs in the top 5 list for both 2 years. Okay, so this indicates the quality of our program. Okay, and our program was designed, okay, with the following goals. Okay, firstly, to address the current market needs, okay, for high-skilled data science and data analytics professionals. Secondly, the technical skills and experience in designing, implementing, and transforming data set into actionable knowledge. Okay, so last, we will focus on educate a new generation of information professionals capable of taking the leadership roles. So therefore, you see that, so we will focus on how to, like, teaching you how to make decisions from data. Okay, so we consider the market needs, and we aimed to educate leaderships in data science. Okay, so that is our goal of our program. And currently we have 15 faculty members and 13 are tenured or tenure-track faculty. And we have 2 clinical faculty members, as Dr. Ding mentioned. So we are hiring like 2 more in this year, definitely more in the future years. Okay, so we have many like research labs. So this list might not be complete, but I just give you some idea about what kind of research lab we have. Okay, so including like data innovation, intelligent information access, and data visualization, extreme reality, and secure, reliable, intelligent system lab, and also like a data science and industry innovation center. So from these labs, you can see that we are dedicated working on like machine learning, AI, data visualization, XR, security, and also so we targeted to have very close collaboration with industry collaborators. Okay, and also this reflects our 3 goals of our program. And the research areas of our faculty covers might not be complete, but at least, okay, a very long list, including health informatics, cybersecurity, privacy, data quality, edge computing, natural language processing, social analysis, extended reality, machine learning, bioinformatics, Internet of Things, big data, behavior modeling, and many more. Okay, so we have our faculty, I believe, so we have very high quality faculty and very actively performing research and education activities in our department. So the curriculum is designed in like this. So firstly, we will have 3 required courses that takes 9 credit hours, including 5501, 5502, and 5505. So these courses provide the basic foundations of data science. Then on top of that, we have guided electives that is 15 hours. So we provide a long list of like courses that is eligible as guided electives. So since this is a very long list, so I'm not going to read all courses here. And addition to that, we will have 9 hours or 3 courses equivalent for general electives. So our courses can you can take courses from many like our collaborating departments such as computer science and engineering, bioengineering, okay, information science, linguistics, okay, learning technology, and even some courses might come from business school, okay? So the curriculum design also align well with our goals, okay? And the last part, so we do have like practicals and research projects or thesis requirements. Okay, so we have, you need to take one of these courses, okay, or 1 or 2 of these courses consists of 3 or 6 credit hours, okay? So this is a very brief overview of the curriculum. And then we expect our students to, after we graduate from our program, so they will be equipped with the technical skills such as like programming capability using Python or R, okay? And you will be familiar with like many data analytics tools such as NumPy, Panda, Jupyter Notebooks. So these are the mainstream and most popular data analytics tools, okay? So you will also be familiar with many machine learning frameworks, okay, such as like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Spark. Okay, again, so these are the main or mainstream like machine learning frameworks. And in addition to that, we will introduce you to get familiar with cloud platform such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Okay. So we encourage our students to work on hands-on real-life projects, and time management skills is also important for everyone's success. And we will help a student to gain networking and collaboration capabilities. Okay, so start from this program, you try to build a professional network. Okay, we also encourage you to gain research experience. Okay, so you see that we have high quality faculty members in our department, and they are all actively working on very exciting research projects. So you're encouraged to work with them on research. Okay, in addition to that, so we will also teach you like good soft skills like writing, presentation, communication. So these play critical roles when you are on the market. Okay, and next I share with you a bunch of resources and the support we have in our program. Okay, so as Dr. Ding mentioned, we provide TA and RA positions. Okay, and also we have on-campus jobs. Okay, so the link is provided here. So a lot of our students get on-campus job opportunities. And there will be like internship opportunity as well. Okay, so the internship program come from our college, and also the university have some service, okay, help you to find the internship as well. Okay. So we have academic advising, writing center, and the student counseling service, and the emergency notification and procedure service. And also we have Office of Disability Accommodation. Okay, so all these provide great support to our students. So you try to take advantage of all these services if you come to UNT. Okay, and finally, I want to share with you that we have many student organizations that engage you to build the network, okay, to reach out to your fellow like classmates or other like industry, some industry collaborators and so on. So currently we have 4 active like student organization, and 2 of them are hosted in our data science department, including UNT Data Science Student Club and the Women in Data Science Club. And in addition to that, so they are collaborating with IEEE student chapter and ACM student chapter, currently located in other departments.